Hello students, I am Sunil Harinkede, Subject Assistant English, Diet Gondia. Subject English and my English book 5 of Standard 5th. Dear students, we will discuss all about money and from the page number of 80 of your textbook, all about money. So learn with fun and let's learn about all about money. It is a part 2 because in our last video we have already discussed what is the currency, which currencies are now we are using, means notes and coins, from the coin of 50 paisa to 10 rupees coin and the note of 5 rupees from 2000 rupees note. We have already discussed in our last video. Look, listen and read with me. We all need money to buy things and pay to people who work for us. Means we have to need money to buy various things, अनेक वस्तू खरेदी करण्यासाठी, and for who work for us, to pay them. Okay, but what is money? Who invented money? Today we will see money in the form of coins and notes, and we have already discussed in our last video. These are the coins and notes we used in India, but different countries use different coins and different notes. Yes, and their money is known by different names. Means in India we are using like रुपये but rupees, but in different country वेगवेगळ्या देशांमध्ये त्यांना वेगवेगळी नावे आहेत. So let's see some samples. In the United States म्हणजेच अमेरिका, they use dollars and the symbol of dollar is this one. This is the symbol of dollar. This is dollar symbol. In England, means UK, they use this. This is pounds and this is the symbol of pound. In the European Union countries, they use euro and this is the symbol of euro. In Japan, they use yen. This is the symbol of yen, and yen is the name of their currency. In our India, we are using rupee, and this is the symbol of rupee. This is the symbol of rupee. So these are the different name of money in different countries. Okay, but long ago, dear children, but long ago people did not use coins and notes. म्हणजे फार पूर्वी they are not using coins and notes like today. They exchange one things from another, and this was known as barter. Barter system म्हणजेच एक वस्तू देणे आणि दुसरी वस्तू घेणे मोबदल्यात. त्याला आपण मराठीमध्ये वस्तू विनिमय सुद्धा म्हणतो. Because in those days there were no money in the form of coins and notes. So in this picture, dear students, you can see these are the stones, sails, cow, goat, hen. Mean these are the birds and animals and things. These things they are using for their exchange in the form of money. It may seems unbelievable. आपल्याला असं म्हणजे अविश्वसनीय वाटते, but long ago people even used special stones as a money. Special stones they use as a money. Imagine how difficult it must have been to carry this money. कल्पना करा की ते कॅरी करायला किती कठीण काम असेल ना. आता बघा आपल्याकडे when we have 1 lakh rupees, so we can put all the notes in our pocket, but how we can put the stones in our pocket? Means there were problem to carry that money, but in that time there were no notes and coins, so people they are using such things. People also used bricks of salt, मिठाच्या विटा, सेल्स, शंख शिंपले, and the cowries as money. Yes, कवड्या म्हणतो ना आपण त्या. So they are using as a money. Grain, farm produce, cattle, goat, chicken. These things in return of things like cloths, tools and implements or wage. म्हणजेच पूर्वीच्या काळी हे जे ग्रेन, धान्य, शेती उत्पादने, जनावरे, बकऱ्या, कोंबड्या, so these animals and things they are using in the exchange of tools and cloths. Okay, so that was the system of barter system. त्यावेळेस मनी नव्हते, so they are using the things in the form of money. Then they began to use bits of precious metals. काही दिवसाच्या नंतर they are using the bits of precious metal, मौल्यवान धातू like gold, silver, copper as money. So these are the pieces of, this is the piece of gold, copper, this is the piece of silver. So in this way they are using the things. Paper money was first used in China about 1000 years ago. Means this is the question, who invented the paper money firstly? So the answer is China. In China they used first time paper money 1000 years ago. Paper money or notes have no value of their own, but a note is a promise to give that much money. म्हणजेच पेपर मनी किंवा नोट्स यांना काही व्हॅल्यू नसते त्यांची स्वतःची, बट तिथे जे एक प्रॉमिस लिहिलेलं असते. सो तुम्ही वाचलेला असाल, मैं धारक को रुपये अदा करने का वचन देता हूँ. सो इन दिस वे इट इज अ प्रॉमिस टू गिव मच मनी. सो these are the currencies. These notes are printed by the government. No one else is allowed to print it. Only the government can print it. Today we have a lot of mobile app, online money transfer facilities. Means we can purchase things, clothes, tools and so many things by online shopping without cash money. Okay, so you must use your money carefully. You should not write on the notes on crumple the notes or damage them. म्हणजेच तुम्हाला नोटा ज्या असतात त्यांच्यावर काही लिहायचं नसतो, त्यांना चुरगडायचं नसते, त्यांना डॅमेज करायचं नसते. ओके, सो यू शुड केअरफुल when you spend money while online shopping, because there are so many problems. Yes, but you have to careful while using your online shopping and online. So in this way, dear children, we learn about all about money from the old days to now online shopping. Thank you students for watching this video. Bye.